Hello everyone, in front of me is Hammerblade 5 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System, and here mark Backup. And once you want to activate Backup your device with Google One, mark info that you want to backup, so in my case it's both photos and videos with all other device data, and mark on Confirm. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Here you can manage your backup. So as you can see, you can either backup the data now, or in the automatic setup, your device backs up data over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.